in Africa.
Hello there, my name is Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. Before we go into today's video, I would like to introduce new ideas that have come in on Eating the African Way. We're also going to be looking on street foods and some interviews which will be basically on food tourism. And today's dish is about fish luwombo. Do you know fish luwombo? Have you ever tasted fish luwombo? Have you ever seen how it is prepared? This is the day for you. Keep watching. Yes, our meal is ready, and I know at this time you know what we prepared, but our chief tester doesn't know. And right now she's first going to introduce herself and unpackage the package. Can you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Hi, good people. My name is Erida TL. Yes.
What do you do?
I'm a mechanical engineer and a travel content creator.
I wonder how you do those stuff at once.
This side is professional, this side is having fun.
Hey, okay.
Yeah.
Erina, before you unpackage the package, what are you expecting?
Oh my God. I don't know. I see you always cook something meaty on your channel, so I'm thinking a bit. Okay, I'm expecting something delicious, but I don't know what exactly it is. Like I've been asking you since yesterday. You can't even give me a hint. But I know it's something maybe next to meat or something. Something like that.
Okay, there you go.
Is the hint right? No? Because
Okay.
most cases in Luwombo, most Luwombos I've seen have been with meat. I've never seen a Luwombo. I've never eaten a Luwombo without something meaty.
Okay, go on. I think you can smell it.
No, it's the banana leaves I'm smelling for now.
I was asked why do we use banana leaves to cook our meals?
I don't know. I grew up when this is being used. Honestly, I don't know why. Why do they use?
I think they add that aroma which you cannot find.
Oh, banana leaves.
Yes.
I was thinking of fibers.
No, the banana leaves.
I want to be neat because it was served neatly. I would also want to have it so neat. Okay.
So as you unpackage, I think you can smell something.
I've not yet gotten anything. I'm just... Okay. Oh, I just closed my eyes. I don't know.
Can help you.
Have we opened?
No, not yet.
Oh, my... Should I see? But how will I open when I'm not seeing? Should I?
Okay.
Mukama Katonda. Oh, first to it, we have to be neat like this. What are you? What is this? What if it is luwombo lwanswa? I see the soup. Okay, it must be meat, something to do with meat. I'm seeing soup. Okay. 1, 2. Is it coming? This is fish. I've never seen one of fish.
So have you ever seen something like this?
Definitely not. All the luwombos I've tasted before have been meat, something to do with meat. I've never seen fish in luwombo. It's my first time. That's why I could not even guess. Of all meats, I knew chicken, beef, pork or something. I've never seen fish in luwombo. It's the first time.
Wow. I think we can enjoy the meal. Before we enjoy our meal, Erina is going to pray for us.
Oh yes, Heavenly Father, we thank you for this food. Thank you for providing. Thank you for what you've done and what you're about to do. We bless your name, for this name. Amen. So you wanted me to bind demons?
No. After our meal.
Okay. You washed your hands? I did. You dive in.
No, we wash hands after eating. Yeah.
Asoka utako. The taste is priceless.
Yes, we are done with our meal. And Erina, how was your experience?
First of all, it was a surprise. Like you said, surprise. Indeed, it was a surprise. I've never seen fish in Luwombo. That is one. And the aroma, it's going to be on my mind for quite some time.
Wow.
The taste was, I don't know the exact English word I could use in my small vocabulary, but it was just perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a whole lot of experience. I'm telling you, I'm not going to eat dinner. I don't want to spoil what I have now.
So dinner is covered.
Yeah. I don't want to spoil the taste I've just gotten now.
Okay, any recommendation?
Recommendation as in?
Would you recommend our dish?
Definitely I would. There are those people who love fish so much, and I'm sure most have never tasted it in Luwombo. Like me, I love fish so much, but I've been having it the other way. So I feel this is another special kind of way to present it. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it.
Yes. Who are you recommending this Luwombo to?
Every time we're talking about fish, there is this one person first on my mind, the Niger boy. He loves fish, and it is the main reason he came to Uganda.
Wow.
To test the Ugandan fish. So the Niger boy, if you're back to Uganda, check out Eating the African Way and test the fish in Luwombo. The next person would be Damaris. Damaris Jenga. She's never eaten it like this. She loves fish, but she always gets it the different way. Like fried or what. This is now a special kind of way. So traditional, and I believe it's healthy. Just steamed, it's healthy. Those two.
Okay. Well, that was all about on Eating the African Way. If you're new here, please subscribe and keep this channel open as we cook, learn, and eat the African way. Today's dish, it was fish Luwombo, and keep watching for the next meal.